Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a claim on AllState Insurance. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently got into an unfortunate accident. How do you actually go ahead and start a claim with AllState Insurance? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your AllState account. Next, you're going to click on Claims on the upper right hand corner. And then after you click on Claims, you can click on File a Claim, which is this green button here. So once you click on File a Claim, it's going to redirect you to this web page that you see right over here. So it's going to ask you what type of claim are you filing? Is it towing only, glass damage only, or vehicle damage? Select the one that best describes your situation. So perhaps it's vehicle damage. So click on Start Claim. And then once you click on Start Claim, you simply just need to fill out the on-screen prompts as far as when it happened. Once you reach this page here, you simply need to fill out the on-screen prompts as far as when it happened, the estimated time it happened, and who's reporting the claim, and then click on Continue. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start a claim with AllState Insurance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.